In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Google Sheets. Let's start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon made of dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click it, then choose Sheets from the list. When Google Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work with so we're on the same page inside your document. Now, let's talk about highlighting, which simply means selecting cells so you can format them, copy data, create charts, or apply formulas to a specific range. First, if you want to highlight down a column from where you're currently clicked, select any cell in that column. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Shift plus Control plus the down arrow. On a Mac, use Shift plus Command plus down arrow. This grabs everything from your active cell down to the last filled cell in that column. If your data is continuous and you need to reach the very bottom of the sheet, you can press the shortcut again to extend the selection further. Next, to highlight across a row, click any cell in the row you're working on. Then press Shift plus Control plus the right arrow on Windows or Chromebook, or Shift plus Command plus right arrow on a Mac. That selects from your starting cell to the last filled cell to the right. It's a fast way to grab an entire row segment without dragging. Of course, you can always highlight manually with your mouse or trackpad. Click the first cell you want, hold down your click, and drag across or down until you've covered the exact range you need. Release to set the selection. This approach is great when you want a very specific block or an irregular range that doesn't fit neatly into a shortcut. Finally, if you want to highlight all the cells in your sheet, press Ctrl plus A on Windows or Chromebook, or Command plus A on a Mac. If your cursor is inside a data range, the first press may select just that range. Pressing it again typically expands the selection to the entire sheet. Once your cells are highlighted, you can change fill color, bold text, apply borders, or perform other actions, all targeted to the selected area. That's it. You now know how to highlight efficiently in Google Sheets, using shortcuts and simple clicks, so you can work faster and with precision.